2019 Toyota Sienna. I'm doing the rear bulbs or the rear taillight assembly. This part right here, mine's all busted. I'm gonna show you how to do just the brake bulb or the blinker bulb and the whole assembly as well. Either one, there's two bulbs in there, the blinker and the brake light. We're gonna need to take these two 10mm bolts out, get a 10mm socket. Don't matter if it's a deep socket or just a regular 10. You can use a wrench too if you had to, but I'd definitely use a socket. Just go ahead and get these bolts off. All right, now once you get these off, put them in a safe spot because you gotta put them back in when we're done. And we're gonna take this. You're gonna wiggle it and just kind of pull it straight out towards you, just straight backwards. Don't go to the side; you'll break it. It's kind of annoying and a little difficult. It's probably the hardest part of the job is just pulling this off safely. It has two wire harnesses on there that you want to make sure not to rip off. Get yourself a small flathead, and then just there's a little button on these. Just push the button down and then pop them out. Doing it with two hands is way easier. I just got a camera in one of my hands, but you release those. Once those are off, you'll be able to remove this whole assembly, and you can change your bulbs out. Now, if you're just doing your tail light, brake light, or your blinker bulb, they're right here. This brown one is one of them. What you do is you twist it, and then it unlocks and you can just pull it out, and then you take your bulb out of this connector and get yourself a new bulb. Now here's the bulb. I think this is a dual filament. I mean, there's two little wires in there, and then you just get your new one, put it back in this connector, and then kind of put this back in. You twist it until it falls in, and then you'll lock it by twisting it to the right. And then your other bulb is this one right here. This guy right here, you just twist it to the left, and then you can unlock him and pull it out, and that's your blinker bulb. You know it's because it's orange. And same thing, you just pull this bulb out and then go to the store, tell them, hey, I need this bulb, and they'd get it for you, and then put it back in, and then you twist it in. So I'm not doing my bulbs, I'm doing my whole assembly. So here's my whole assembly. It comes with bulbs in it. So let's pretend that you just switched your bulbs out and now you're going to put this back on. Let's also pretend that I just got a new assembly. Here's my part number right here, this 81550-08050. This is from the dealer. It comes with everything in it. All you gotta do is plug it in and it's ready to go. So you're gonna connect your connectors. These are dummy proof. They only go into their correct connector, so you don't have to worry about that. Just get it in. They go like that. Now once those are in, there's a pin over here. Hopefully it didn't break when you took this off. If you pull it straight back, it should be fine. There's a little slot for that, and when you put this in, you're gonna go straight in, and the little pin will go into the slot. There's also a guide pin down here. You want to make sure you get in the right place. Make sure your wire harnesses are in, and you're just gonna put this straight in. Don't be forceful, just kind of push it gently forward, and it won't necessarily just click in and be in a place because it's not bolted in. It might be a little loose and move a little bit. So what you want to do is put your two 10mm bolts in. Just go. You don't got to get these super tight. Just get them, you know, pretty snug, and they'll stay in there. They won't come out. Now, very important, before you shut this door, you want to go turn your power door off. The button's right here. Make sure your power door is off, and we're going to slowly lower this rear hatch. It makes sure that the electric motor doesn't shut it, and the reason why is because we need to make sure that these don't hit each other when you come down. I've seen many times dudes don't have it lined up right. When they shut the hatch, it knocks that and breaks the lens, and then you're in the same spot you were. So bring it down, make sure it's fine. After that, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. See you next video.